All right, it's time for you to actually upload an artifact to your portfolio of work Google site. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that the project that you think is worthy of your portfolio is actually one that teachers have already determined what standards that project actually meets. So the first thing you'll notice is I went to the BHS portfolio of work Google site, and under class of 2017 I went to list of acceptable projects. So let's pretend that this is my wellness star project. All right, and so the teacher has already come in, has given the description and the standards. You'll notice if we go across that it meets. So it meets standards 1 through 4. We're talking about creativity, critical thinking, digital citizenship, and basic technology operations and concepts. All right, so that's the first thing, making sure it's something that you can actually put into your Google site. So now I'm on my own portfolio of work site, and I went under freshman year. I am a freshman. So I'm going to then select new post. Okay. Once that is done, you'll notice it says untitled. So you're going to actually put the name of the particular project. So we'll call this Wellness Star Project. Okay. Then you'll notice that there was some information that we need to include before we actually what's called embed the project on that particular entry. So if I go to this document, you'll see the things that you need to include. You need to include the project name, the tool or software you used, what the course is. If you want, you can provide a description, and you need to reflect. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just to save some time, is I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to come into here and paste it. All right, so in this case, I would say Wellness Star Project, and I would say that I used, in this case, I'm saying I used a Google document, and this was for my Wellness 1 course. I could then come in here, and due to time's sake, I'm not going to do it, but I could come in here, I could copy this description if I wanted the description there. And for the reflection, I would need to write a paragraph of things I want to talk about in terms of that project. Things I liked, things I learned that I didn't know about. We could say in terms of writing a Google document, what you really liked about it, what didn't work, working with someone else, how technology helped you do. These are the types of questions you can answer in your reflection. It should be something about a paragraph. Now for the project, I could say, see below. And let's undo this. And you could decide what colors you want, how you want it to look. But then I'm going to now embed the Google document. So to do that, since it's a Google document or a Google presentation or a spreadsheet, I'm going to come in here into the Drive, and I'm going to say document. And I think this is called testing for portfolio. So it will search for that, for all of the documents that you have. But if there's something that you can't find, if you just start typing it up here, it will also search in your actual own Google Drive. All right, so I will say, I want to make sure that this is the right one. Testing for portfolio, that's the one I want. So then I will say this one. And then Google will have some defaults. I always just accept those defaults, but if you wanted to customize it, you're more than welcome to do that. Then I hit save. Okay. Then you'll notice that there's a gray box here. It says Google document. I can center it. This is aligned to the left. I can align it to the right. So I'll just say center, and then I will hit save. Now, one thing I did not make sure is the fact that, is this document actually viewable for other people to see? So if I go back to the original document, you'll see that no, it's not. It says private to only me. So I need to select that blue share button, change the privacy setting to anyone with the link. Then I hit save. So now I can verify and validate that in fact this document will be seen by anyone that sees my own portfolio of work Google site. Last step is if I go back to freshman year, you will now see Wellness Star project in that list.